Birthday parties at the Works Museum are such a fun way to provide a fun and educational experience for your 4 to 12-year-old's birthday party. In our birthday parties, kids get to explore the museum and see all of our different hands-on exhibits where kids get to really be the engineers. And then as part of their private party, they get to do a half-hour project where kids get to make their own party favors.
We really try to make it as easy as possible. We supply all the paper products. You don't need to bring any of that stuff. You just bring your food and beverage, and then everything is done for you. And you don't even have to invest in party favors because kids get to make their own party favor while they're here. The beauty of the Works is that learning happens without even knowing it sometimes, because it's playtime, but it's all engineering focused activities, so the kids are really coming away feeling like I had fun, but I learned something too.
So come join us for your birthday party at the Works. We'd love to have you and your family and friends here and celebrate.
If you're interested in a birthday party here at the Works Museum, fill out the request form online.